Hello everyone. We are continuing to talk about rhinoplasty, desired rhinoplasty results or nose types desired by my patients. Today I want to talk about very beautiful and very talented singer Cardi B's rhinoplasty. A lot of my patients sending me her photographs that they want change that she had done years ago, and I just checked that and I found out in 2019 she had some fillers on the nose, and it's an important point. Fillers are performed by doctors to give some projection to nose, but don't forget fillers are liquid, so it gives a balloon effect that it just causes loss of definition, and especially for the tip part I don't find it successful because fillers are expanding your skin. So it doesn't create good results, but also it may deteriorate the projection or definition you already have. For bridge part, slight fillers, just some conservative filler application can have some benefits to give definition to bridge, but the tip part, it needs more strong structure, foundation for it. We need that. That's why, because you have more skin, it's not good for your future surgery so much. And probably because of that, after 1 or 2 years later, she had rhinoplasty. When I check her nose, when I look at the photographs, before and after, maybe some osteotomy can be done. And I'm not sure, but my nasal bones seems a little bit narrower. But most of the change I see for the tip part. It looks more narrower from the front view. It was longer, now it's a little bit short and a little bit lifted from the side view, which is looking great. When you look overall face, the nose takes less place and have more definition, which is a sign of successful surgery. For the nostrils, it's just a little bit maybe nostril reduction, I can see from the photographs. And if you want to have that kind of nose type, especially for the bridge part, it's not too high, it's important. The second tip is not very sharp. It's not triangular, it's still a little bit round, which I find it nice and natural. And also the nostrils are not too tiny, which also improve her authentic look, but it's still like she born with that nose. That's one of the important points. Of course, some people like to have more triangular noses, more sharper noses. I'm not a fan of it, but sometimes also I'm doing when my patient wants it, but it's important to know what you want. That's the most important point. If you want that triangular nose, you need more projection for the bridge also. You need sometimes this up rotation, uplifting of the tip part, and with the sharp tip grafts, it can give this triangular look. But you have to think twice when you decide to have that kind of change. It's very important.